Today, I would like to say about something. You know that there are so many people in the world. There are so many English learners in the world, but they can understand. But when they are going to speak anything, they cannot speak. When they go to speak anything, they freeze, they stuck, they stop. They cannot speak English. But what is the main reason? In my view, the main reason is lack of practicing. Sometimes I notice that there are so many people and there are so many learners, they can understand in any English, but they cannot speak English. What is the reason? The reason is they don't practice more and more. Because if you want to speak, so definitely you have to practice more and more in a day. If you practice more and more, definitely you will be able to speak with fluency, with confidently. So what should you do? You should practice more and more. When I first started English journey, that time I could not talk like that. I could not speak like now. But right now, I can speak and I can share my anything through English. I can give any speech through English. But why? Because I practice every day. I practice with friends, I practice with other people, I practice with other country people. That's why little by little, I'm being improving. I'm being improved. If you want to improve yourself, so definitely you have to practice. You should not give up. You should not upset. You should not hesitation. You should not feel hesitation because you know that failure is the failure of success. Mistake, making mistake of the part of anything, not only English but also any language. So don't be upset. Don't be frustrated. Don't worry. You should carry on. You should going forward. And what happened? No matter what they say, no matter who says, it doesn't matter. You should go forward. Who says what about you? You should not care about that. You should not focus about that. Just you should carry on. You should move on. You should forward. If you do continue, if you continue anything, so definitely today or tomorrow you will be able to success people. But until success, you should not give up. You need to carry on. You should carry on. If you're a new person on my Facebook, please follow me. Thank you for watching my video.